Beck does your homework. This is homework number 2, question number 6. Here I'm asked to convert 29.5 miles per hour to meters per second. And you were also given the conversion that 1 mile is the same as 1609 meters. And we want to answer in units of meters per second. So this is a typical conversion problem where we have miles that we need to get to meters, and we have hours that we need to get to seconds. So as is the case with any conversion problem, we are going to start by writing down what we know. So we have 29.5. And when we have miles per hour, that's 29.5 miles on the top. And on the bottom, we are going to put 1 hour, because you can go 29.5 miles in 1 hour. That's the way a conversion works, and that's the way this works. 29.5 miles per hour is when you go 29.5 miles in 1 hour. So now I have to get miles into meters, and I have to get hours into seconds. Well, to get miles into meters, I'm going to write times and draw another line. And I have miles up top, so I'm going to put miles in the bottom, because that will cause miles to cancel out. I can get from miles to meters, because I know that 1 mile is the same thing as 1,609 meters. That way, what I'm doing is I'm multiplying by something where the top and the bottom are the same. Now miles is in the top, miles is in the bottom, so miles is going to go away. If I just stopped at this and multiplied 29.5 times 1609, that would give me meters on the top and hours on the bottom. That would give me meters per hour, which is not what I want. I need to get hours into seconds. So again, I'm going to write times and draw another line. Now I've got hours on the bottom. So to get rid of hours on the bottom, I've got to put hours in the top. Now I happen to know that I can convert hours into minutes, because 1 hour is the same thing as 60 minutes. So I always want the same on the top as the bottom. Now I'm going to do another times and draw another line. And I have minutes. I don't want minutes. What I want is seconds in the bottom. So I'm going to write minutes in the top. And I'm going to put seconds on the bottom. Now I know that 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds. So now I've got hours on the bottom and I've got hours on the top. Those can cancel out. I've got minutes on the top and minutes on the bottom. Those can cancel out. The units I'm left with are meters on the top and seconds on the bottom, which gives me meters per second, which is what I'm looking for. So I am ready to do my multiplication, and this is going to give me units of meters on the top and seconds on the bottom. And now it's just a matter of math. And what I do is I multiply the things on the top and I divide by the things on the bottom. So it's 29.5 times 1609 divided by 60 divided by 60, and that will give me my answer.